When an emergency strikes or you're caught off guard in the wild, not having the right gear can make all the difference. That's why having a solid survival kit has become a must for anyone who values safety and staying prepared, no matter what comes their way. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best survival kits available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these survival kits, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the LUXMOM 28-in-1 Survival Kit, a complete and reliable solution made for outdoor lovers and anyone who wants to be ready for the unexpected. This kit was carefully designed by professionals to cover many emergency situations. It comes with 21 multi-purpose tools, a first aid kit with 106 items, and a full fishing tool set. Whether you're camping, hiking in the mountains, going on a road trip, or spending time on a boat, this kit helps you stay calm and prepared in any situation. Some of the most useful tools included are a compact axe, a folding shovel with a pick, a tactical flashlight with 3 light modes, a survival bracelet, a double tube whistle, a wire saw, a thermal blanket, fire starters, and fishing gear. The first aid kit has everything you need to treat cuts, burns, or sprains quickly, helping you avoid infections and stay safe until help arrives. All these items come packed in a strong 600D nylon bag that measures about 9 by 6 by 5 inches. Even with its small size, the bag holds up to 142 pieces, and there's still room left to add some of your personal items. Thanks to its lightweight design and MONTERRA-compatible straps, you can easily attach it to your backpack or belt. The LUXMOM kit is a great option for campers, hikers, first responders, military members, police officers, and firefighters. But it's also smart to keep one at home, in your car, or at the office. It's a high-quality, all-in-one emergency kit that's both practical and compact, perfect as a gift or to keep by your side. With this kit, you'll feel more confident and safe during all your outdoor adventures. Next up, we have the HIHEGD Survival Kit, a powerful all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to stay ready in unexpected situations, whether out in the wild or during an emergency at home. What makes this kit stand out is its impressive 250 multi-purpose tools, carefully selected by 3 survival experts. That means it covers all the essentials. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, but also great for families looking for peace of mind. One of its highlights is the fully stocked first aid kit, which includes scissors, tweezers, tourniquets, bandages, gauze, cotton swabs, and adhesive pads, all neatly packed in a bright red pouch for quick and easy access when time is critical. The carrying bag is made from military-grade 1000D nylon, which is water-resistant and super durable. It measures about 8 by 6.5 by 6 inches, and thanks to its MOL-compatible system, you can attach it to backpacks, belts, or tactical vests without any trouble. This makes it a fantastic pick for hikers, hunters, campers, or anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures. One of its most useful upgrades came adding advanced tools like a multifunction axe, folding shovel, paracord, knife, emergency tent, thermal blanket, flashlight, whistle, compass, fire starter, and even a rain poncho. With these items, you can build a temporary shelter and stay warm and safe in extreme conditions. Every tool in this kit has been tested to hold up in tough environments, from long hikes to serious emergencies like earthquakes, tornadoes, or floods. If being prepared is a priority for you, this survival kit is an excellent investment. It offers safety, reliability, and peace of mind wherever life takes you. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the MONTERRA Survival Kit, a complete package made for those who love adventure but also care about staying safe no matter what. This kit is designed to be your go-to gear for any outdoor experience. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring new trails, one of its biggest strengths is the 180-piece first aid kit, perfect for treating small injuries or unexpected situations on the go. But there's more. It also includes essential tools to start a fire, stay warm, navigate, fish, and even send emergency signals. It's all about having what you need when you need it. Beyond outdoor fun, this kit is a real lifesaver during emergencies. Keeping one at home can be a game changer during events like earthquakes, wildfires, or hurricanes. With basic tools and key supplies close by, you can stay calm and protect your loved ones when it really matters. It's also super useful to keep in your car. If you break down or get stuck somewhere remote, the tactical pen with glass breaker helps you escape quickly and safely. And when it gets cold, the thermal blanket keeps your body heat in, which can be critical during low temperatures. Everything comes packed in a durable 11-liter tactical bag made from tough 600D Oxford fabric. It's larger than most 5-liter kits, giving you extra space for your personal items without sacrificing portability. And here's a nice bonus: it makes an amazing gift. If you have a friend or relative who enjoys the outdoors, this kit combines adventure, protection, and practicality in one solid package. In the end, the MONTERRA kit is much more than just survival gear. It's a reliable tool that helps you stay ready, whether you're in the mountains, at home, or on the road. Now let's move on to the ABPIR Survival Kit, a smart choice for anyone who loves outdoor adventures and wants to stay prepared for anything. This kit stands out because it includes 13 essential tactical tools designed to make activities like camping, fishing, and hiking safer and easier. Inside, you'll find a powerful flashlight to light your way at night, a reliable compass to help you stay on course, and a tactical pen that also works as a personal defense tool. There's also a flintstone with scraper so you can start a fire quickly in any weather. Other useful items include a multifunction card that works as a bottle opener, cutter, and screwdriver, a survival bracelet made with emergency rope, and an 8-in-1 tool that functions as a spoon, fork, can opener, and more. For fishing fans, it even comes with a shrimp-shaped lure that's perfect for catching fish in the wild. All the gear is made from high-quality, durable materials built to handle tough environments without breaking or wearing out. Everything fits neatly into a waterproof compact case measuring about 7.3 by 4.3 by 2 inches. So it's easy to carry in your backpack, car, or even attached to your belt or bike. Besides being practical, this kit makes a great gift. Whether it's for dad, mom, a friend, or a teen who loves the outdoors, it's a thoughtful choice for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The Survival Kit is all about functionality, toughness, and portability, all wrapped up in one compact set. If you're looking for a reliable companion for your next outdoor adventure, this one is ready to go when you are. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's check out the LUXMOM 142-in-1 Survival Kit, a complete, all-in-one solution created by professionals for people who love the outdoors and want to be ready for anything. This kit includes 21 multi-purpose tools, a 106-piece first aid kit, and a full fishing gear set, giving you everything you need for safety and survival during camping trips, hiking, road adventures, or mountain exploring. It's also great to have for boating, climbing, or just keeping in your car or emergency bag. Some of the most useful tools are a compact axe, a folding shovel with pick, a tactical flashlight with 3 lighting modes, a multifunction card, and a survival bracelet that comes with a compass. It also includes a loud double-tube whistle, wire saw, paracord, thermal blanket, and a full fire-starting system. And with the complete first aid kit, you'll be able to take care of cuts or injuries quickly and safely. Everything fits into a tough 600D nylon bag that measures around 9 by 6 by 5 inches. It's lightweight, compact, and super durable, perfect to toss in your backpack, car, or clip to your belt or bike with the MOLLE-compatible straps. And even though it has 142 items, there's still room to add a few personal extras. It's an excellent choice for tactical doctors, military members, police officers, firefighters, rescue teams, and outdoor lovers. You can also keep one at home, in your vehicle, or at the office, just in case. Whether you're into fishing, biking, hiking, or simply want to be prepared, this kit has you covered. It's complete, dependable, and packed with everything you might need in an emergency. Plus, it makes a unique and useful gift for anyone who values adventure and safety. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect survival kit, or if there's another survival kit you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.